Awesome. It's a little bit later in the day. I'm gonna work on the design a little bit. So this here that I found, I'm taking a look at it, and I kind of am just really using it for right now to try out colors so that I can get a better idea of what the colors are that I think would look good, and playing around with that. And then once I get there, I can work out more on the actual layout, and I probably won't use this like free template asset thing, but since it's an actual decent landing page design there, I'll just put my colors on it and see if it still looks good. Working on this for the past few weeks, I think this is the first time that I've seen any actual serious improvement in the way that the UI looks. But so this is the landing page asset thing. And I just kind of took it and then wanted to use it to play around with the colors. So you can see those over here. I'm using this sort of off-white greenish tint thing that I think looks pretty good. So you can see this is the redesigned upload page, the chat page, redesigned study flashcard page, and then the other version where it's just, you hover, you click on it to get the question and answer and everything. The yet to be made dashboard page. So it's the next day. It was pretty late yesterday when I started working, and it's a bit later today. Basically what I was able to get through yesterday was actually redesigning the web pages. Overall, it looks like an improvement. So the goal for what I want to actually do today with the website itself is push that redesign, which will probably take a bit of time. I know this isn't like the craziest change, but it does feel a lot more organized. I'm still working my way through it. I don't know if I'll finish it tonight. Hopefully I finish it tomorrow, but here's how we're looking so far. Okay, so you can see, and then this is the same. I changed all of the font to something else. I'm still working through a few of them, but for the most part the pages are done. You can also see the nav bar has been changed up a little bit. For the most part, it's not too bad to start off with. There's definitely been worser websites. My hair is something today. It's now another new day, but really what the focus is going to be is making a landing page and making the login page. So some more styling and CSS stuff. It took me a little bit, but the landing page is mostly done. The only last thing that I need to add after I get some food to it is like a little pricing thing, but we don't know what the pricing is going to be yet. So I'll probably kind of just leave it blank for now and just set it up so it's there. The other thing that I want to add is a lot of animation to the landing page. That'll also take a while and will probably not be that fun, but it will look really good when it's done. It'll also help me learn Framer motion a lot better. But for starters, this is what we do have. So when you first come in, this is what you get. And I also need to redo the slider here because the default slider is always gross. But I'm literally just going to copy paste what I have on other pages. But yeah, so here's the nav bar. This button doesn't do anything yet. Okay, back from lunch, and this took me a little bit. It's been a few hours, but we got a decent animation done. Let me show you. So this here is the animation I've been working on. Let's just go ahead. You're on the whatever. This is the new landing page. You'll click the top left, or this will be what happens when when you first go to the whatnot. And this is what we get. Very, very simple, basic animation, but it adds a good bit of character. I still gotta figure out, oh my goodness. I still gotta figure out some more things with it because I want this to be a lot more friendly of a landing page, because it's the whole thing where when you're using the website, it's going to be for stuff that you don't want to do, but we have to make it as friendly as possible. I need to figure out some kind of design or something to put in the background here on this landing page so it's just more interesting, as well as adding maybe a bit more information somewhere to sort of explain what's going on. But it's a good start. Okay, so I added a little bit more animation to it. It wasn't really that big of an animation, but it adds a bit more character. So let's take a look here. So we'll go ahead and refresh the page. That's it. That's the whole thing. It bounces up a little bit. The goal is to have this ready to push to the first group of users starting in August, and then slowly increase the user size as we go through the fall semester and see how we can handle, users as it scales. Maybe that's what I'll do, because I don't really want to work on design anymore today, because I hate it. It's awful. It looks nice, but I don't like it. Maybe what I'll take a look at, because something that I've been wondering about for a little bit has been how things work when you want to scale this stuff. So my code is decent for calling OpenAI and all that stuff to get everything on the crunching side of things, but I need to figure out if there's a faster way to do it, and also if I need to do anything special with OpenAI, because I would assume, I don't know, we don't have to worry about 100,000 users right now, but we do have to worry about 12, I think is a realistic starting number. My understanding of it from what I found is I'm gonna have to use Docker. Python's okay, and we're good. No. It's gonna take a little bit of work. I'm gonna have to obviously redo the code that I've already done and make it better, as well as learning in depth more about LangChain. Because sort of when I first learned it for the hackathon itself, it was a lot more just surface level, and really what did I need to learn to accomplish the goal then at the competition, and not really thinking about best practice or actually really learning it, so that I can figure out a good way to customize retrieval and everything based off of my specific situation that I'm doing. But for now, we're going to be taking a look at that. I don't know if I'm going to do anything else today though. I'm pretty tired.